Hello guys, today I will show you how to use this React and Redux template in my GitHub for any React and Redux project in the future. Okay, so you just go to the link provided, and then you can do either clone or use this template. Okay, this is when you use the template, you will create a new repository, and you will have the option of creating, and you need to include all the branches, or no need, you will include, you will add the branches that you want, because they have many branches in that template. You just do the name and the description, and it should work fine for you. I just want to show you the steps that you need to follow. Like in my case, I just clone it, and then open a new folder. Then, for example, this one, sample, just to show you how you should do it. And then just follow the instructions provided in the template itself. So just git clone, and then paste it, and that's it. You have it all set up. Okay, now you go to the readme and you will have these instructions. It says here that make sure that you are inside the root project directory. So that means you need to do cd and then React, and go to that React itself, to the main project or to the root directory. Okay, and then you will need to delete the package lock.json, because you're gonna install it again. You will see how. And be careful not to remove the package JSON file, and you will have to change the name here accordingly. For example, in my case, I'm gonna name it sample, just for the sake of this video. And then you go to the readme again. It will provide you with the command that you need to add. Just copy paste it. Sorry, npm install. Basically what this command will do, it will just install the node modules, which includes all the packages that are written down here in the package .json file. And I usually do the npm install whenever I face an issue with my sorry about this music, I forgot it. I usually do this, the npm install, whenever I face an issue with my package. If there is too many errors, I try to install the node modules and the package JSON package lock.json and do the installation again, and usually it fixes the issue. Now we'll wait just a while until it's done. Now after you have it installed, it took a while because it's installing the whole package. So you just need to do the npm start to see whether the React is working for you or not. And it should run smoothly without any issue. You can see it's running the local host. these errors are just because of the eslint. Whenever you face them, just like whenever you face an issue like this, just try to read what the error is telling you, and it will even show you like the source of the error itself. Like here it's in the app.js, and these are the lines, and it's just about the lf, not crlf. So you can just remove it by doing the linters, or basically because it's just the lf, you go to the source of the issue here, and you will see here in the Visual Studio Code that you have the inline sequence. Just change it to lf, and now you should that issue should disappear. Now you have it in the index. You go to the index itself and then change it. Okay, so it's not really a big deal. And report with like web vitals, it's also here. You just change it to lf. So now you have the project running smoothly. The circle is not moving, I don't know why, but it's working fine in my case. So just keep following the instructions in the readme. So now we can see that it is working smoothly. So you just stop this and try to do the eslint command to see whether the eslint is working actually or not. So I just do this and run it. And we can see here it's yeah, I believe it was like something missing. Yeah, exactly. The command, yeah, just the double quotes is missing. So we can see here that it's showing us the errors, and it's the same error. You can just run it again and add the fix, and it should fix the issue for you. And then you need to run the stylelint to see whether it's working or not. You don't want to end up like having ES, like ES. I mean, you don't want to end up having some linter test not running when you're done, coding your project. So it's better to test them all, like while you're setting up your React project. So that's it. Now you are all set up for any React project. You can, you should like remove the unnecessary files here, like for example the test, the report, the logo, because you're gonna add like a new elements to test. These tests, just remove them all, because you're gonna add new elements. This is basically just a template, and even in the public, remove them all except the index.html. So that's it for this video, and thank you very much. I hope it was useful.